this is going to be a bit of a random vlog. So today I just decided that I'm going to move my office to the spare bedroom in this house because literally no one uses it. So I'm gonna use it because why pay office space rent if no one's using this perfectly good room that is like quadruple the size of my office. So I will show you guys that in a second. There is some moving that we need to do, so I am going to recruit some of my friends to help me move. So yeah, that is going to be today. Completely random decision. I literally got up and got ready to go to work, and then I went downstairs and that just popped in my head. So I'm like, you know what, I think I'm gonna do that. So yeah, that's gonna be the new project of the day. I did just get a package, so I'm gonna show y'all what I got from Fashion Nova. So this is the thing. My friend actually invited me to go to a casino with them in September, which it's like August 1st right now, so like a long time away. Apparently the theme or whatever, everyone's wearing black, so I did order some black stuff. I don't know what I'm gonna wear still, but these have been in my cart anyway, so I'm like, okay, I also need to order them. First, before I show you those though, I did just get an outfit. These shoes better fit or I'm gonna scream. Just saying. Yeah, my day just completely took a turn. It happens to me all the time, so whatever. I just go with the fucking flow. But I did just get this little black outfit. Now, I did order I ordered 3 outfits for this because I didn't know what I was gonna wear. So the first thing I ordered this, I do have this in tan already and I really love it and I love the way it fits. So I ordered it in black. So I may be wearing this. If anything, I'll still wear it like during the day. So I'm gonna wear this regardless, but yeah, I just got this outfit. So cute and it looks so good on. I know the tan one looks good on, so the black one will probably look even better on because black just be looking better. These shoes, they're super beautiful online. They better look just like I do. Okay. Oh my god, I'm a shoe whore if you haven't noticed. Like, I love shoes, and that's not even all of them. I have more in the closet and in my other closet. I need more shoe shelves. Ooh, I might need to order some more shelves. Anyway, these shoes, because like the look I'm going for, I'll probably end up wearing one of the dresses that I did order, because I'm going for like a black, sleek, very like iced out kind of look. The purse I ordered is absolutely stunning, and it's like all of these pretty crystal thingies. I'm gonna order some like heel things, like the sole things for the heels, so, and they fit. Oh, thank God. Because sometimes Fashion Nova shoes, like I'll give you an example. I wear a size 11, like faithfully my whole life. I wear a size 11 straight up, and these are a size 11, and no, they don't fit. These are literal shelf shoes because they don't fit and they never will. So these are straight up decoration. Pisses me off because I absolutely love them and I'd wear them every day of my life. But yeah, not true to size. These I can get on, but I do hang off a little bit, so I don't really wear these that often. Like sometimes I can stretch them out enough to where they do fit. But yeah, sometimes Fashion Nova shoes, they're not true to size. Like, but these ones fit. Thank God, because I was about to say I'm gonna cry if they don't fucking fit. Obsessed, obsessed, obsessed. Not really sure what these are. Came with these. I'm gonna keep them though. Oh, they're the bottoms. Okay, bad that. I'm really liking the shoes like this that you just slip on, and they're kind of short. They're called mules. So I've been really fucking with these because they're not as intense as like wearing a 6-inch heel, but they do still give you that vibe that you're wearing heels. So me trying not to shop. Whatever. I'm pretty sure I got 2 dresses from Shein. So I'm pretty sure the dresses I got, I'll probably end up liking it. I did order them early. The reason I ordered shit so early is because if I don't like it, I'll have to order something else. So, especially you already know, if you're like in the plus size community, bitch, you gotta make sure, because if you don't like it, it's gonna be really devastating. You can't always find something in the mall that you like, or that's your style or whatever. So I'm gonna order options now, and like I would I would like return some of the options, but they're from Shein. Like they're cheap. It would cost me more to fucking return them. So I'll probably just keep them regardless if I wear them. But yeah, I need enough time to order something. But if anything, I know I like how this fits. That's why I ordered this in black, because I'm like, I really like this outfit. I could see myself wearing this. So maybe I'll just wear this. I don't know. My God, you can see. So excuse my feet. They're super ashy right now, but oh my gosh. And the heel, bitch. Yeah, these are stunning. And then like imagine my toenails like French manicure or something. So yeah, one of these are getting booted off. Which ones? My shelf is full. Like I literally have those on the ground. Let's see who's getting booted. These ones off the shelf. So now these, oh shit, there's fucking hair on them and shit. I need to vacuum the floor. And these ones can go here now. Okay, so I think I'm gonna paint a picture while I'm waiting. But this is the room. It is so much bigger than my office, so I'm excited about that. But yeah, basically this is just storage. A lot of random stuff. So what I'm gonna do, I probably should just do it now, but I want to paint for a second first. These are all my mom's clothes. She has like more clothes than I do. So I'm about to take all of these clothes and actually put them in that closet. So I'm gonna do all that, hang up all her shit, and then I'll have the movers move the dresser, the bed, and this dresser out. I'll probably put her shoes in the closet as well. And then pretty much this space is open and free for me to work and do what I need to do. I'm thinking I'll probably put my desk on that wall over there. And I think I'm actually gonna order a computer desk because I have no room in my current office for a computer desk. So yeah, I'm gonna put a computer desk over there. So I'm probably gonna order that today. And then, yeah. And make this my office. It is huge. So like if you watch my vlogs, you see my other office and it's like fine, it works, but like it definitely is not very big. So yeah, I'll probably hang up my curtains up here. This is a fucking sheet. I don't know why she got that on there. But yeah, I'm gonna make it super cute. You already know I gotta add like all my pink shit in here. So it's about to just be like pink. So yeah, right now I'm gonna just paint this picture. I drew it like last week, so I'm about to just paint it, or at least get started on it real quick.
Later that same evening.
Vlog much in here because they're playing music, but I just gave my friend a ride to work and here I am at the bar. So going with the flow of today. I'm just gonna have a few drinks and then move my office because that's what I was supposed to be doing. I'm waiting for my mom to get off work because I'm gonna use her truck. So I have some hours to kill.
Make it shot time.
We just moved all my shit. Now I gotta carry it upstairs. My mover is coming tonight to help me. So yeah, I'm basically just gonna carry all this shit up and put it in the hallway. And I'm just gonna work. I'm just gonna put my desk in the middle of the room and just work from that. So just real quick, and carry all that shit upstairs. Okay, so I moved all my shit upstairs. Now I'm gonna relax for a little bit. I'm going to work on my painting, hopefully finish it. It's just hard because you have to like wait for the paint to dry and shit. So I'm gonna work on that for a little bit, and then I'm going to put all the clothes in the other room in the closet. It's the next day, it's raining. My friend that's going to help me move has strep, so we're going to wait until I think it'll be good, like Friday or something. Then we're gonna move this shit out, but I did move it just to one side of the room so I can go ahead and set up my office. I'm going to do that now. I'm gonna vacuum and shit. This is what happens when you forget to put on your bonnet. So I'm gonna brush out my hair and all of that. I'm gonna go ahead and get started. Hey, Leo. Oh, I forgot to show you guys. This is the finished painting. So yes, let me know what you guys think. She's cute. I feel like she's just like a black Barbie. So I got shit set up for the most part. I can at least film and do what I need to do. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm going to continue cleaning. I just did some readings real quick, but yeah, I have to continue. I need to vacuum the whole upstairs. The cat's got shit everywhere. I never finished doing the litter box. Yeah, I actually think my new hair's coming today, so I might wait to vacuum this room until I'm done because I'll just get hair everywhere anyway. So yeah, I'll probably just go ahead and vacuum out here and my bedroom real quick. I'm gonna end this vlog here. I do think I'm about to film a blonde hair video, do a little review, tell y'all where I got it and everything. I'm so excited because I haven't had a good blonde wig in a minute. So yeah, I'm about to go do that. We'll probably film the process, so look out for that video. But thank you guys so much for watching. Do be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.